Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, there is a continuous downfall, as you can see here. Few of the economic data which has released, that is Europe manufacturing PMI data we have seen, German, French and Italian manufacturing PMI we have seen. Okay, so now what you can see that BCB focus market readout will be coming out today. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, overall trend we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall after making a high of around $10,009, and from there there is a continuous fall we have seen. Okay, and if you look at other chart also, previously we have seen this data, this level has not come since March 2021. Okay, so probability is very high, as I have already explained you, that if there is a zone breakout upside or downside, there can be a fall downside as well as an upside. Okay, so what you can see looking at this chart, suppose if the price, before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is on a higher side, yes, it cannot sustain and chances are high. We can see it can go towards its next support of around $4.164. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.064. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $3.853. Okay, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see it can cross a level of $3.5. Okay, $3.52, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $3.455. So you have to keep this in mind. Overall trend is downside till the time, and these are few of the supports which I have told you, that if these supports breaks downside, we can see it can come towards a level of $3.072 also if the price fall below this particular level. Okay, but if we see a swing form at this particular level, because we have seen a downtrend, but there is a quite volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas. So what you can see looking at this, that suppose a swing form at this particular level, so probability is there we can see a next support coming at around $4.798, next resistance coming at around $4.978. Okay, and if the price goes above that particular level, chances are very high we can see a level of $5.855, and if that level goes further upside, then chances of touching a level of $5.5, which is already a weak resistance, chances of going further high towards a level of 5.664 is there. Okay, and if that level moves upside, then we can see it can cross a level of $6.120, because this level is already a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there, and we can see it can go towards a level of 6.3 to a level of around $6.440. Keep that in mind. Once it's sustained above this particular level, we can see a level of 6.13 to a level of $6.44, and from there you can say it can go further high, and a probability of going towards a level of around $6.554 to a level of 6.8. Keep that in mind. Once it's sustained above 6.5, we can see a level of 6.8, and then further upside we can see for the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something, most of the people lose money in trading. You have to understand here that most of the people lose money in trading, but that they try to double the capital or double the profit, which is not, the movement is not that big, but they want to create big of opportunity by risking all their capital. What I teach in my workshop, suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade, this is a minimum amount I'm telling you, that if you're trading suppose with a $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is $1,000 to $1,500, a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades, okay, that is 100 per trade your risk is. So that is, suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum risk is $500. Then stop the trades for the day, and then you can trade the next day. What is the benefit? It will not be a pressure to recover this amount. But if you lose 5,000, then it will be a pressure, or 3,000. What people do, they lose so much money and then they try to recover it. In the process, they lose their full capital. Okay. This is what they do. So what I teach, how to overcome all these, when to strategize, when to trade, when to exit, when to hedge, and all these strategies I tell you If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.